Hey YouTube, this is Zach with Achilles Financial, and we are back with Peloton Interactive. Again, Peloton has been super impressive over the course of the past few months, and in particular during the coronavirus epidemic. I don't know about you, but I've looked at some fitness equipment on Facebook Marketplace, on Craigslist, on eBay. All of it has spiked. So you know that the online fitness providers have also spiked in revenue as well, and Peloton was no different. They reported earnings and they saw some huge jumps. The key number to look at was their subscription revenue grew 92% year over year, and it was 19% of their total revenue. So why is that important? Subscription revenue is great because it's something that's going to continue to happen. So if they can continue to grow that subscription base, we're going to continue to see a strong positive movement when we're looking at their earnings. Now, is now the time to go in? Probably not. They did go up 5% on the day, 11% after hours, as you can see right here. I don't think that this graph really shows how impressive this jump was. Look at the weekly. I mean, they started out $31, nearly up 30% over the course of this week. So why am I highlighting this? Over the course of the coronavirus, you can see that they had just touched the $30, dropped all the way down to $18, and then now they're at $42.25. So is this a stock that you should hold long time? I am not super excited on holding a position for Peloton, just because is this growth going to continue at the same rate on a go-forward basis? Are people going to continue to buy their fitness equipment? Probably, but not necessarily at the same rate. So when you're bringing in just a few more subscribers than the original estimate, then I don't know if that's the, hey, I want to have this forever conversation. If we're looking, they actually had a large sell-off going into earnings, which is somewhat disappointing if you were someone who was making that sell-off. But I do want to highlight what that looked like. Again, we saw a sharp rise and then sharp fall into the earnings conversation. Overall, really good on the day. A lot of this activity that you generally see right before earnings is people saying, hey, we anticipate to go up, we anticipate it to go down. So not surprised at the movement there, but very impressive results from Peloton. Again, I'm not going to be making a move here. I do think that we're going to continue to see a little bit of a rise tomorrow. However, a lot of what's going to go on with Peloton is probably going to rely on the market data that's released tomorrow morning, which, if you have not seen the economic indicator video that I posted this morning, I'm going to link that here. And I think that that's awesome to check out. It's going to be useful in terms of what are we looking at from a jobs report. So depending on that, you may see a continuation here. Is it going to maintain the nearly 16-17% gain we saw today? I don't know. But I do think there's going to be some additional fluctuation. I don't think it's going to flatline at the $42 mark, but that's just my opinion. So let me know in the comments below how you did on the Peloton move, if you made a play there. Thanks. Talk to you guys later.